Now, is this available for both Android and iOS?
Correct. It's available on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple iStore or App Store, and yeah, available for most tablets then. So covering the two operating systems does cover most tablets.
Now, is there a download fee? How does it work?
The application itself is free of charge. So what the learner would get, they step in, download the application. First thing you get is a sample worksheet to familiarize yourself with the application, free of charge. Then the learner also gets a diagnostic test. So that is where we would be able to get an assessment as to where are you in maths at the moment. It's done on the tablet, and they then, from there, they would move on to the tuition service. The tuition service is charged at a subscription rate, but for a limited period, we are availing a 2-week free trial, especially with June exams coming up. We're quite excited to get everyone sort of, even if we can fix up a few patches in the quilt, just to get everyone up and running for June exams. So they'll get a trial with full service where the tutor would respond to them within 24 hours of submitting their worksheets and be in constant contact with them, sort of working on that personalized path.
Now, tell us a little bit about the age group of the child who would benefit from using this. I know you mentioned before cameras started rolling that it starts out at grade 1.
It actually starts at grade R level.
Grade R, brilliant.
Level, so pre-grade 1, and we have all the way available up to grade 6 at the moment. Yeah, sort of covering nearly the entire primary school. What we found is that even a grade 7 learner could find great benefit from that, because at the end of the day, the diagnostic test and sample are free of charge. So what we'd be able to do is sort of respond to a parent and let them know, even though the child may be at grade 7 level in class, there may be some gaps and some problems that we can work on in grade 5 and 6 level. So yeah, and then we are expanding up to grade 9 level, sort of all fingers crossed by end of 2016. So we are looking to cover up to that. The reason why we started at the lowest, or grade R, was that we feel that a strong base in mathematics is very important. Also, once you move into the higher grades, the stronger your base, the easier it would be to move on to things like algebra and geometry, or more complicated geometry. So clearly, if you know that 5x, or sort of 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, it would be easy to know that 5x and 2x is equal to 7x. So that's what we're trying to do, get that base and get that foundation strong so they can move on and excel and probably not even need us.
Well, thank you so much for speaking to us today. And once you've gotten up to that grade 9 level, please do come back and chat to us a little bit more about it.
Definitely. Thank you very much. Thank you for having us.